Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, fluffy marshmallows using China grass, also known as agar-agar, with an easy method. You'll need just a few basic ingredients, including about 1 tablespoon of China grass powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 100 milliliters of water. Before starting, prepare an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper and lightly dusting it with powdered sugar or cornstarch. First, let's prepare our China grass syrup. In a small saucepan, dissolve 1 tablespoon of China grass powder in about 100 milliliters of cold water. Next, add 1 cup of granulated sugar to the saucepan. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for approximately 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly. This creates the base for our marshmallows. Now for the magic. In a separate large bowl, whip 3 egg whites using an electric mixer until they form stiff, glossy peaks. With the mixer running on a low to medium speed, slowly and carefully drizzle the warm China grass syrup into the whipped egg whites. Continue beating the mixture for about 10 minutes. You'll notice it becoming very thick, white, and holding its shape beautifully, transforming into that classic marshmallow fluff texture. Once your marshmallow mixture is ready, immediately pour it into the prepared 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan. Use a spatula to spread it evenly. Now comes the waiting game. Loosely cover the pan and let the marshmallows set at room temperature for at least 10 hours, or ideally overnight. Once firm, cut them into delightful squares and dust generously with powdered sugar or cornstarch. Enjoy your homemade, fluffy China grass marshmallows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.